Building a $1,000 emergency fund in 30 days is possible, even if money feels tight. Unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or urgent travel often cost $400 to $1,200. Without savings, many people rely on credit cards with interest rates above 20%. That $1,000 buffer is the difference between thinking, "That's annoying," and thinking, "How am I going to deal with this?" Here's the basic 30-day plan. Step 1. Free up $400. Review the last 30 days of spending in your bank and credit card statements. Looking closely at spending can feel uncomfortable, but clarity is where control starts. Look for things like forgotten subscriptions, auto renewals, impulse purchases, pause or cancel certain subscriptions, skip optional expenses like takeouts, and sell items you no longer need. Small cuts can quickly free up a few $100s. Step 2. Add temporary income. Cutting expenses gets you about halfway. Short-term income can close the gap faster. Consider things like picking up extra hours, pet sitting, tutoring, freelance work. Treat it like a temporary challenge. Earning about $600 over a few weeks can push your savings to $1,000. Step 3. Move the money. Transfer the money into a separate high-yield savings account, earning around 4 to 5% interest. Because if it stays an everyday checking account, it tends to disappear. Keeping it separate helps prevent impulsive spending. Automate deposits if possible, so saving happens automatically. When saving becomes automatic, you stop relying on willpower. Remember, this money already has a job. Emergencies only, not stress shopping. Your emergency fund should be liquid, safe, and earning a little interest. Once you eventually build 3 to 6 months of expenses, then you can think about optimizing further. Start today. Cancel one subscription. List one item for sale. Momentum starts with small steps, and that first buffer can make unexpected expenses manageable instead of stressful. If this video helped, subscribe and tap like. It really does help the channel. I'm curious, are you starting from zero or rebuilding your savings? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.